Hi everyone, this video is regarding SEBI Phase 1 mark sheet. So what I'm trying to do is upload the mark sheets of all the couple of exams I've written the past few months, and this is the last mark sheet that I will be uploading. And after this, two more videos I'm planning to put out. First one would be the SEBI Phase 2 analysis video, and the other one would be PFRDA interview, because I know that PFRDA will recruit again, so that would be helpful. After that I might not upload, but this channel is always open to your comments. You can comment and I will try to reply it. So regarding this video, this is SEBI phase 1 mark sheet, and the cutoff is fixed for this exam. In paper 1 it's 30 and paper 2 40, and in overall you have to get 80 marks. So इसमें competition नहीं है, it is इतना आप लाओ and you are clear. In paper 1 there are 4 topics, subjects: GA, English, Quant, Reasoning. एंड मैंने पहले स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियो में बताया था कि मेरा इंग्लिश एंड क्वांट पे ही फोकस रहेगा टू क्लियर द फेज पेपर 1 कट ऑफ 30, बिकॉज GA आई डोंट ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ, एंड रीजनिंग मेरा नहीं है अच्छा उतना इन कंपेरिजन टू क्वांट. So you can see the marks कि barely have attempted any question in GA and reasoning. So I just focused on English and quant and I got 42.83. So again the topics were the same I mentioned in the last strategy video. अगर उन few topics को आप कर लोगे तो cut off is not very difficult to score. In paper 2 I got 80 on 100. तो paper 2 में ऐसा होता है कि 50 questions are there. I attempted 45 and I got 41 correct. So what I would say is paper 2 of phase 1 was like it was different. मैंने ऐसा पेपर जनरली फेज़ 1 में आई डोंट सी सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऐसा था कि दे कुड हैव आस्क्ड इन फेज़ 2 ऑल्सो. क्वेश्चन वाज गुड दिस टाइम इन फेज़ 1. सो बट ऐसा कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं है इसको क्लियर करना, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आपको 40 मार्क्स ही लाना है, तो वो तो मैनेजेबल है. बट लाइक लास्ट ईयर 24 में they asked in phase 1 ki which of this is not regulated by RBI or not supervised by NABARD. So like this sort of questions were there, and in this attempt it was like proper, you can ask those questions in phase 2 also. The level of questions were good, but uh, again that was an indication from their side that phase would be difficult. So that video I'll make separately, in which I'll discuss with you about the analysis part of phase 2. But I think managing 40 marks was not tough in this paper, and overall I received 122.83. So ultimately we need to get 80 marks overall. So this is my mark sheet, and write down below in case of any doubts. So that's all, and thank you so much for watching.